how to register ANB Bank Mobile Banking application or via the online banking Arab National Bank. So the very first thing that you want to do is of course open up any available app store that you can use on your phone. But for this video, I'm going to be using via the Google Play Store. Go to the search box, type in ANB, choose on the second one, and this is going to be the application that you need to download, which is going to be the ANB or the Arab National Bank. Now, once you've downloaded it and installed, simply open the application up and running. Just simply head on skip for the meantime and go to get started. Now, you will be given an option to choose to create a ANB account, register for online banking if you're an existing ANB customer, or you can log into an existing account. Now, choose on the very first one, which will create you ANB account. And then on the second page, you'll be asked to provide identifications such as your ID number, mobile number, and then what you need to open an ANB account are a valid national ID, registered on Abshire, and at least 18 years of age. You simply follow on-screen prompts so that you will be able to complete the whole process. And that's how you register an ANB Bank mobile banking account online.